Hello students, welcome to Narayana online classes. Today we are discussing assignment number 49 on 10th standard mathematics on the topic statistics. And that first question, the mode of the following data is, here some raw data is given that to be a numericals. So by using these numericals we need to find out a mode of the data. Mode means it is a most frequently occurring value is called mode. So here the given data I am arranged in a ascending order. That is the first one is 3, 4, 5, and here 6. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sixes are there. 1, 2, 3, 4 sixes are there. Next 7. 8 is not there. 9, 10, 11 and 12. Here if you observe that in the given data the 6 is repeated 4 times. It is the most occurrently repeated value. So the mode of this data is 6. Option C. Now the next one, so here the formula to find the mode of the group data. So formula for mode of a group data, that is mode is equals to sigma equals to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. This is the formula for a mode. So option B. Option B. Now the next problem. The data which occurs frequently is called mode. The data which occurs frequently is called mode. Option C. Now coming to the next problem. See here, the class in which the highest frequency value in a group of data is called model class. What it is called? Model class. Model class. Now the next problem. Now the fifth problem, a survey conducted on 20 households in a locality by group of students resulted in the following frequency table for the number of family members in a household. There are some survey is given here. From this data, family size, we call it as a class intervals. So we should take in as 1 to 3 members, 3 to 5 members, 5 to 7 members, and next one is number of families. We call it as a frequency. The given data is 1 to 3 members. How many families are there? 7 families are there. A family having 3 to 5 members, 8 families are there, and families having 5 to 7 members, 2 families are there, and 7 to 9 members, 2 families are there, and 9 to 11 members, 1 family is there. So from this data, first we need to find out the highest frequency in this column. In a frequency column, the highest frequency where we occur. So here if you observe that in the given data, which one is the highest frequency? 8 is the highest frequency. So this is F1, and preceding value of the highest frequency we call it as F0, and succeeding value of the highest frequency is called F2. From this data, at highest frequency at that lower boundary of a model class is called L, right? Therefore what from this table what we are getting, L is equals to lower boundary of the model class, that is a 3, and F1 is equals to 8, F2 is equals to 2, and F0 is given. First we need to write F0. F0 is equals to 7, and F1 is equals to 8, and F2 is equals to 2, and H means here the size, the length of a model class. Here H is equals to 3 to 5, right? So 5 minus 3 is equals to 2 is the H value. Now mod is equals to formula L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So here L is equals to 3 plus F1 is 8 minus 7 by 2 into F1 is 8 minus F0 is 7 minus F2 is 2 into H is 2. So here if you observe that 3 plus 8 minus 7 is 1 by here 2 8s are 16, 16 minus 7 minus 2, it means minus 9, 16 minus 9 is 7 into 2. So 3 plus here 7 by 2, so 7 by the value of 7 by 2 is approximately 0.286, 0.286. Therefore add these two, 3 plus 0.286 is 3.286. This is the mode of the given data. Now coming to the next problem. Here the marks distribution of 30 students is given. The given data is for a distribution of 30 marks of 30 students in examination. See here the marks between 10 to 25 is 2 members, 25 to 40 is 3 members, and 40 to 55 is 7 members are there, and 55 to 76 members are there, and 70 to 85 6 members are there, 85 to 100 6 members are there. See from this data I need to prepare one tabular form, that is a class interval, that is Ci is the class interval, and number of students. Number of students I am taken as this is a Ci and this is a frequency F. The mark scored by a student in between 10 to 25 is 2 members are there, and 25 to marks in between 25 to 40 3 members are there, and 40 to 55 7 members are there, and 55 to 70 is 6 members are there, and 70 to 85 6 members are there, and 85 to 100 6 members are there. For finding a model class mode of the given data, we need to find out highest frequency in the given distribution table. First, highest frequency of the given data is here. Which one is the highest frequency? 7 is the highest frequency. It is F1, and preceding value is F0, and succeeding value of F1 is F2, where the model class at that lower boundary is called L. Right? From this table we are finding L is equals to 40, and F0 is equals to 3, F1 is equals to 7, and F2 is equals to 6, and H is the length of the or size of a model class, that is a 55 minus 40, which is equals to 15. 55 minus 40 is equals to 15. So mode formula is substitute all these values in a mode formula. So mode is equals to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So L value is 40 plus F1 is 7 minus F0 is 3 by 2 into F1 is 7 minus F0 3 minus F2 is 6 into H is 15. 40 plus 7 minus 3 is 4 by 2 7s are 14 and 14 minus 9 is 5 into 15. So 5 1s are 5 3s are, so which is equals to 40 plus 4 3s are 12, which is equals to 40 plus 12 is 52. So the given data mode is 52. Now coming to the next problem. See here, the following data shows the ages of patients they are admitted in hospitals in a year. So find the mode value of the given data, right? See here, from these ages I need to take as class intervals and number of patients as F, frequency. So class interval and frequency. The patients admitted in a 5 to 15 members, the ages of a patients 5 to 15 members, how many patients are there? 6 members are there. So in the age of 5 to 15, how many patients are there? 6 members. And 15 to 25 years, that is 11 members are there, and 25 to 35, 21 members are there, and 35 to 45, 23 members are there, and 45 to 55, 14 members are there, and 55 to 65, 5 members are there. Now we need to calculate mode of the given data, right? So here first what we need to calculate in the given data, we need to calculate F1. F1 means it is the highest frequency of the given data, this column. Which one is the highest one? So 23 is the highest one, that is F1. A preceding value is F0 and succeeding value is F2, where the highest frequency at that lower boundary at the middle class, that is L. From this table we are finding L is equals to 35 and F0 is equals to 21 and F1 is equals to 23 and F2 is equals to 14 and H is the size of model class, that is a 45 minus 35, 45 minus 35, that is the 10, right? So substitute all these values in a mode formula, that is a mode is equals to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So L is equals to 35 plus F1 is 23 minus F0 is 21 by 2 into F1 is 23 minus F0 is 21 minus F2 is 14 into H is 10. So 35 plus 23 minus 21 is 2, by here 2 into 23 is 46, 46 minus 21 minus 14 will get minus 35. So if you subtract 46 minus 35 will get how much? 11. So 11 into 10. From this data, so 35 plus 20 into 10 is 20 by 11. If you observe this, 35 plus 20 by 11, approximately we are getting 1.818. so 20 by 11 is 1.818, which is equals to 35 plus 1.818 is 36.818, right? So I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you, student.